Samsung has just unveiled two new smartphones, the Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35, which offer impressive features at a reasonable price point. Although they may not match the sophistication of the Galaxy S23 FE, they do offer some surprising advantages over it. Let's dive into the details to understand how the Galaxy A55 outshines the S23 FE in certain aspects. Both the Galaxy S23 FE and A55 feature aluminum frames and glass sandwich designs, while the S23 FE boasts a superior IP60 rating for water and dust resistance compared to the A55's IP67 rating. The A55 uses the more advanced Gorilla Glass Victus Plus instead of the older Gorilla Glass 5 found in the S23 FE. In terms of storage, the Galaxy A55 offers expandable storage via a microSD card slot, which is absent in the S23 FE. Additionally, while both phones come with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM, the A55 surprisingly offers a 12GB RAM option, potentially enhancing its multitasking capabilities. Another area where the A55 surpasses the S23 FE is its battery capacity. With a larger 5,000 mAh battery compared to the S23 FE's 4,500 mAh, the A55 promises excellent battery life. However, it's essential to note that battery performance depends on various factors, and real-world testing will provide more insights. Despite its beefier battery, the A55 lacks wireless charging capabilities but supports fast charging via USB-C at the same 25 daily rate as the S23 FE. In 2024, Samsung is raising the bar once again with the release of the Galaxy A55 5G. Building on the success of its predecessor, the A54. Samsung aims to dominate the mid-range market with improved features and performance. However, in the United States, Samsung is focusing on promoting the Galaxy A35 5G as a more affordable alternative to flagship models like the S23 and S23 FE, while still offering more features than the A35. Meanwhile, Google's Pixel 7a is gaining attention as one of the top affordable devices in the US market. While Samsung's lineup is strong, the Pixel 7a presents stiff competition. So how do these two compare? If you're in the US, the Pixel 7a might be the better budget choice, while the Galaxy A55 5G offers a compelling option for those outside the US with its renowned quality and features in the mid-range segment. Both the A55 and Pixel 7 feature a candy bar design with unique touches. The Pixel 7a boasts a metal 3D visor for its dual cameras, reminiscent of Google's flagship Pixel series, while the A55 features a key island bump housing the power and volume buttons, giving it a distinctive look. Both phones come with an IP67 rating for water resistance, providing peace of mind against water damage. In terms of displays and performance, the A55 sports a larger 6.6-inch FHD plus OLED screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, offering enhanced visibility. On the other hand, the Pixel 7a features a slightly smaller 6.1-inch OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, potentially offering a dimmer and less smooth experience compared to the A55. Under the hood, the Pixel 7 packs Google's flagship-grade Tensor 2 chipset, promising solid performance akin to higher-end Pixel models, while the A55 opts for Samsung's Exynos 1480 chipset, focusing on improvements over its predecessor. Both devices offer 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM for smooth multitasking. In the camera department, the A55 boasts a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel wide and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, along with a 32-megapixel selfie camera, emphasizing improved low-light photography and image processing. Conversely, the Pixel 7a features a 64-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, both powered by Sony sensors known for capturing high-quality images. When it comes to battery life, the A55 packs a robust 5,000 mAh battery, promising excellent endurance, while the Pixel 7a comes with a smaller 4,385 mAh battery and supports slower charging speeds. Ultimately, your choice between the A55 and Pixel 7a will depend on factors such as pricing, availability, and personal preference. The Pixel 7 offers great value in the $500 mid-range category, while the A55 could be a strong contender with potential improvements over its predecessor. And if you're in the US, the Galaxy A35 5G might offer a comparable experience. With this comparison in mind, you can make an informed decision based on your needs and preferences. Share your thoughts on these smartphones in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, peace out.